In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any video from any website on Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded and that you have a stable internet connection, because you'll be visiting the Chrome Web Store and installing a browser extension. This process is quick, but it helps if everything is running smoothly before you begin. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar at the top and type in Video Downloader Professional Extension. You can search for it directly or access it through the Chrome Web Store if that appears in your results. The goal here is to find the correct extension page, so take a second to confirm that you're clicking on the proper listing before moving forward. When you see the extension, click on it to open its details page. This page will usually show you a short description of what the tool does, along with reviews, permissions, and compatibility information. It's always a good idea to briefly look over this information so you understand what the extension is for and how it works inside Chrome. Next, click Add to Chrome. This is the main installation button, and once you select it, Chrome will begin preparing the extension for installation. A pop-up window will then appear asking you to confirm the action. This is normal, and it gives you one more chance to review what the extension will be allowed to do. From that pop-up, click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will install the extension automatically. In most cases, this only takes a few seconds. Once it's added, you may see a small notification near the top of the browser, confirming that the extension has been installed successfully. You might also notice its icon appear in the Extensions area of Chrome. Then feel free to use it. At this point, the extension is ready, and you can start using it whenever you visit a website that contains downloadable video content. If you don't see the icon right away, check the Extensions menu in Chrome and pin it to your toolbar for easier access. That can save time later and make the tool much more convenient to use. And that's it. As long as the extension is installed correctly, you're ready to go. Just remember to use tools like this responsibly and make sure you have permission to download any content you save. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.